Today we talk about Asus Rog Phone 8. Its launch on January 2024. The dimensions of Rog Phone 8: height 6.45 inches, width 3.02, thickness 8.9 mm, the weight is 225 grams, and the build: front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Asus Rog Phone 8, it comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 88.2% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1080p and the refresh rate is 165 Hz with 2500 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection: Asus Rog Phone 8 comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. And the platform of Rog Phone 8, it comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU and the GPU is Adreno 750. Let's talk about the memory of Asus Rog Phone 8. It comes with 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM and 250 gigs of ROM. No SD card support in this mobile. The camera setup: it says come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto. And it's record 8K 24 fps video. The front camera is 32 megapixel and it's record 1080p 60 fps video record with selfie camera. The battery backup of Rog Phone 8, it has 5500 mAh battery with 65 watt fast wire charging, and it supports 15 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wired and wireless charging support. The common and the feature: it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, gaming triggers, RGB panel on the back, 2 USB Type-C ports, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0, IP68, water and dust resistant. The price of Asus Rog Phone 8 is $999.